You're kidding, bro. You're kidding, bro. What?
Video protected.
What are we pulling over to, man?
The video.
That person ran right in front of his car. Oh, their airbag went off. Should we check on them?
They got some kids in it right now. Alright, hold on, let me get out and talk to her. Kelly? Alright, she just tore the whole side of the car up.
At this point, you gotta go, okay? You have to leave for the night. She's gonna contact you again, Maybe you guys can talk about it tomorrow. But she doesn't want you here either. She wants you to go. She didn't say that. She that she's to tell.
What the? What?
Are you okay? Damn, lay down, lay down.
Don't do it.
Honking and flipping people off. Get skilled, man.
Yeah, think about that next time you pull out in front of somebody.
Alright, you got me.
Yeah, I got you on video.
Listen.
Dude.
Oh, baby. He's gonna make it though. The racers are out. That's what this is. Yeah. Well,
And helping individuals fix their IRS problems. We have over 1,000 five-star reviews on Google and an A+ with the Better Business Bureau. You don't need to be afraid of the IRS any longer. End your tax nightmare today by visiting us online at TRA.com or call 800-498-6.
Holy